calm lakes, charming village, and iconic church, this is Hallstatt in Austria. I always imagined to travel to a fairy tale village in Europe. And this time, I made my dream come true. To travel to Hallstatt, I took a 2-hour train from Salzburg and arriving back Goisern, a charming little town just next to Hallstatt. It's a quiet and relaxing town, and every corner just reminds me how lucky I am to have the chance visiting this part of Austria.
So, finally we arrived at Bad Goisern. This place is so peaceful here.
I am staying a night here in a budget hostel, and next morning I will take an early train to go to see the beautiful village in Hallstatt.
So it's so cold right now. Just having my first meal of the day. It's a simple spaghetti.
This morning, I woke up pretty early and went out to explore a bit of this
So
town.
I'm living in this small town called Bad Goisern. It's actually 2 stations next to Hallstatt.
There were not many cafes opened this morning, but I finally found one, and a simple but tasty croissant in this town.
Jo, und dann hätte ich noch gern hier so.
I think this is the only cafe that opened in the early morning. This is so nice. So the train
And not long
should be
later, I got on a
9:13.
train to Hallstatt. And to get to the village, I had to take a short ferry.
So here we are, waiting in the ferry across to Hallstatt. This is so beautiful, this view. It's a bit unreal here.
And this view was just the best. This is the Evangelical Church, the most iconic landmark in Hallstatt, sitting just right to the
We
lake,
arrived at Hallstatt.
and it's one of the most
This is
photographed
so
spots in the
beautiful.
village.
It's crazy. Look at this view. This is incredible. And the water is so clear.
I spent some time walking around the village. There were stairs going uphill, and every step gave me some new angle of the village. This parking lot at the top is my favorite spot. The rooftops looked like they belonged in a storybook, with the lake stretching endlessly behind them. The view of Evangelical Church and the lake and mountain background. From here you could see the entire village nestled between the mountains and the water, with the church standing in the middle. It's the kind of view that makes you want to stay a little longer. And this place is so good for photography. I just stop by every corner and finding new angles to record this beautiful place. And it felt so unreal to be here. A 3-hour walk that easily turned into 5, and I got so many photos taken.
Yeah, just
At the end of the village, there's a very nice photo spot looking at the whole village from one end. Everything here was so peaceful.
so we'll cross this bridge. This is so wide. I mean, come on. It's so amazingly beautiful. So you get this reflection view right in the center of the mountain. If you have zoom lens, then the next book, I think you have seen it on Instagram already.
And this is the most photographed spot in the whole village. And from here, the village looks like a painting. The still water, the soft colors of houses, the quiet hum of life moving at its own slow pace. And this view is just like a postcard, and it's now in my photography collection. My trip to Hallstatt comes to an end. It was a short trip, but every moment felt so special. This charming village in the heart of Austria was like something only exists in a storybook. I've taken so many photos on this trip, but more than the pictures, it's the feeling of being here that will stay with me.